In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download your Visme designs as a PDF. If you've built something you're proud of in Visme, maybe a poster, a report, or a set of slides, and you want a clean, shareable file, a PDF is a great choice. PDFs preserve your fonts, layout, and image quality, so what you see in the editor is what your audience will get on their screen or in print. Start by opening the design you've already created in Visme. Give it a final glance to make sure everything is in place. Text is aligned, images are sharp, and any page backgrounds or margins look the way you want them. When you're happy with it, head to the top right corner of the screen. You'll notice a blue Share button, and right next to it is the Download button. Click Download to open your export options. By default, Visme selects an image format like JPG or PNG, which is great for single graphics, but we're going for a PDF. Switch over to Document, About This PDF. This tells Visme to package your entire design into a document format that's easy to distribute and print. If your project has multiple pages, they'll be combined into a single PDF file, which is perfect for reports or multi-slide handouts. You'll see choices for a standard PDF or a PDF with bleed marks. A standard PDF is ideal for on-screen viewing, emails, or simple home printing. If you plan to send your file to a professional printer, choose the option with bleed marks. Bleed extends your design slightly past the edge of the page and includes crop marks so printers can trim cleanly without leaving white edges. If you're unsure which one to use, consider how the file will be used. Digital sharing usually calls for standard, and professional print typically benefits from bleed. Once you've selected the PDF option that fits your needs, scroll to the bottom and click Download. Visme will prepare your file for export. This may take a moment depending on the size and complexity of your project. When it's done, your PDF will save to your browser's default download location. From there, it's ready to share, upload, or send to your print provider. If your design includes hyperlinks, those typically remain clickable in standard PDFs, which is helpful for interactive documents. And that's it. You've successfully saved your Visme design as a PDF with just a couple of clicks. If this tutorial helped, go ahead and like the video, subscribe for more quick how-tos, and tap the bell icon so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.